Yes, the next thing we're going to be talking about now, still under receipt and payment, we'll be checking a topic or a submenu called Setoff. Now, Setoff here can also be called Netoff. Setoff or Netoff, still the same thing. And what does Setoff or Netoff means? It is actually used to switch values or transactions within a member's ledger. Take note, it is used to switch values or transactions within a member's ledger. Example is using member savings or any of members' deposit, which is members' assets, to liquidate or part pay a member's liability. Using a member's asset to liquidate or part pay members' liability. So can we try an example? We just move through our menu and click on Setoff. Yes, now we have it. Now in the Setoff form, what are we going to be doing here? We're going to be picking a member. Let me type in the ID 002. Now we're going to be using this member's savings to set off or net off the member's loan or the member's liability. So here I'm going to generate a reference number. I haven't generated a reference number. I'm going to type the narration, and what I'll be typing in the narration is loan liquidation with members savings. Or I could decide to pull this out, loan liquidation with savings. Definitely you know it's for members. Let me pull that out. Then I haven't done that. I'm going to pick a current date or any date. Now I haven't done that. What do I need to do here? I'll need to select the first product, which is member savings. Now I haven't selected the product. Here it's going to display a couple of items. Now the display is such that it's showing me my total savings balance, and here I have the new balance. If there are changes, then what is the corresponding leg? I want to liquidate loan with savings. Now all I will need to do is click on this add new row button. Once I click on the add new row button, immediately it pops up another field where I can pick another product. Here I'm going to pick members loan. Now clicking on members loan, I could decide to pick multiple records, because I could decide to use a particular form to do multiple transactions. I could use my savings to liquidate loan interest, and any other liability that I have, which is part of what I'm going to be doing now. Here I'm picking what? 260,000, and savings as well. I'm going to be putting there 260,000 as well. Okay, here I'm going to fix in 260,000 as well. Now I just clicked on my tab. Now I haven't clicked on that. Here I will be debiting my savings just like it is debited here. Then I will do what? Credit my loan. Automatically it will give me the new balance, which is what? Is 0. Now how about my loan interest? Let me liquidate my loan interest as well, so that I will not be owing any liability as of now. Now the admin can now pick the loan interest, loan interest, or any liability that the member actually owed, and take this off. 26,000. Now what I'm going to be doing here is whatever amount I'll be putting on savings should be the summation of this and this. That is, the principal and the interest will be summed up together into my loan. Now the summation here is 260,000 plus 26,000. That will be 286 6286,000. Now I'm pushing everything into the savings. Please take note. And this is going to be 286,000. That is summation of the loan, and the interest will be going into savings. So I'm going to credit my interest as well. Now once I'm done with this part, what do I need to do? I'll need to save my transaction. Now if there's anything wrong with this transaction, what it does, it automatically tells me that yes, whatever I've done is wrong. But here it's showing me new record saved successfully. Now I'm going to click OK. Once I'm done clicking OK, as an admin, if I have the right to approve, the next thing I'll need to do is what? Click on the checkbox, then approve the transaction. Now, having approved the transaction, we're going to see the result of what we just did. Approval was successful. Okay, now can we check the members ledger to confirm what we have just done? Now, checking the members ledger to confirm, I'm going to type the number, search for the number. Yeah, this is it. I'll just need to do what? Check the person's record. Now, checking the person's record, I'm going to see the details, then you will now see the effect of what we have just done. Okay, thank you. So this time around I have the liberty of doing what? Checking all transactions. Now just click on all transactions. Let's see, now I have just deposit having a balance of 845,000. Here I can see a debit value of 286,000 against my loan and interest. So my balance currently is now what? Zero balance. So which implies that I'm not owing any value again. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Bye.